So welcome back once again, guys. You guys are welcome to Arbitrage Genius. So if you are watching this video for the first time, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, so it's been a while, guys. I'm very sorry. I've been busy, so you guys should accept my apologies. So a follower reached out to me recently and asked. The follower has been having issue creating a virtual US account and virtual Euro account on Airtm. So I'm just making this video so it could help the follower and also help the masses. So I'm just going to go right away and show you guys how to create a USD and Euro account on Airtm. So once you log into your account, as you can see right here, this is my account and it's verified. So as far as you have your account verified, let me show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, this green tick right here, it means your account is verified. So now let me head back. So once you have your account verified, you can see I already have my own account information right here. So, and also before I proceed, you guys should take note of this. If you are using a Nigerian account, a Nigerian ATM account, it should be noted that you can only create a US virtual account. You are not allowed to create an Euro account due to region restriction or something like that. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So as you can see, your region is not supported. So at the moment, you can't request for an Euro virtual account. You can only go for the US virtual account. So I've already created my account, but to create it was very simple and straightforward. So once you click on this, something like this will pop up. So you just click on open your open your USD virtual account. So once you click on it, a terms and condition page will show up. You just click on and I agree, and then you request. So in two business working days, you'll be giving your US virtual account. So as you can see, these are the features of the accounts. You can use it to receive ACH transfer, wire transfer, and one interesting thing is see their exchange rates. They are exchanging one USD to one USDC, so you don't have to worry about the conversion rate. The only fee involved is this 1.75%. So that's the only fee they charge. So that's just it. So if you guys have any difficulty or facing difficulty in creating your US virtual account on Airtm, just reach out to me in the comment section. I'm always available for you guys. So thank you once again and bye.